Hey, this will be a video chart on MZEI, MetaZone International Incorporated. I've been following this one for a while. If you watch my video charts or ever check out my blog, you know that it was alerted to me at first down in this area, and since then has gone up very nicely. So one of these plays where it's nice to have smart people that throw you tips every once in a while because a lot of money could have been made here. And I know I did some video charts on it. I can't remember where the last one was, but I know it's up since I did those too. So one of those situations where it's a win-win for everybody that's been following the chart. Very interesting the past couple of days, and that's kind of where I want to get things updated here. So let's just dig in. The short term, and when I say short term, I'm talking about the past 3 to 4 weeks. But we have kind of this bull flag pattern occurring, so that's not what I wanted to do. Let me thicken up these lines here a little bit so they stick out better. But this line here is just simply what's called the flagpole, and then here we have let's see, the resistance trend line here, portion of it. So I'll change that to red, and then from right around this area here where we had a previous high, this is basically the support part of the pattern here, and you can see that there's been numerous times where the price has fallen down there and then found support. So here, if you use your imagination, maybe if you're a golfer, you can see that this kind of looks like a bull pennant, bull flag, whatever you want to call it. But this area right here is called the flagpole, and then obviously this resistance line there, this support line here create the flag portion of it. So we'll just start off first with the lower part of it. You can see here that on numerous occasions after it broke above this high here, the price has come down to test it. We had once where it actually opened up below it and then shot upwards. We had a test in these two areas, and then the past couple of days it's been tested once again and has held strong each time. And then on the flip side of the equation, we also have this resistance line here, which has been knocking down the price every time it's tried to get up through there. Now the good thing is this pattern is happening within a bullish context. Now how do I define a bullish context? Well, if you look right here at the 50-day and 200-day, very clearly you can see these are both sloping positively, have a nice uptrend to them. So that just shows what the overall context of the chart is, which is clearly bullish, and you probably don't even need to look at the moving averages. You could just simply draw a trend line to see that since mid-October, the price has been, constantly putting in higher highs. The other interesting point and important thing on the chart is this gray line here at the 20-day simple moving average. You can see it's got a history of kind of acting as a trampoline and bouncing the price upwards. Most recently, yesterday had this big red candle, but it found support right here at the gray line, and then today there was some follow through pushing it back up. The interesting thing for tomorrow will be, are we going to get another increase in volume, and with that increase in volume, is that going to produce a breakout of this downtrend line here? If that does happen and you have a nice solid volume bar, then I would look for next week for this to push up towards probably the low 50s. But one step at a time, let's just first see if we can get a continuation in terms of some nice green volume along with upwards price movement. Overall though, like I said, the chart is in a big heavy context of bullishness, so it looks good. Right now it's just a matter of seeing what's going to happen with this current chart pattern that's shaping up, and from the looks of things, my dollar would be on a break to the upside of this pattern here, but we'll just have to wait and see. If there are any other questions on the chart, please shoot me a message. I'd also encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your subscription to the newsletter, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and everything's free, so it's worth signing up and checking out. One more time, this was MZEI. Thanks for listening.